Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove, disconnect, or even forget a Bluetooth headphone device from your iPhone. So let's get started. So very first thing you want to do is go into your setting. Now once in your setting, you're going to scroll down to Bluetooth. And then once you go to the Bluetooth, it's going to go ahead and show you any connected devices that you have. Currently, I have a wireless headphone that is connected here. Right here, as you can see here, it is connected. So I'm going to click on the eye icon here. Now, when you click on the eye icon here, there's two options that you're going to get. First option is to disconnect. Disconnect is temporary. That means that if you wanted to reconnect again, it will pop up here and then you can go ahead and reconnect anytime. And that's a quick temporary thing. However, if you want to completely remove and delete this headphone, maybe you are selling it, trading it, or giving it away, and you don't want it to connect to your iPhone any longer at all, you want to do this a step that says forget this device. And this will completely remove that device so that next time you have to connect, you have to go ahead and set it up again through the Bluetooth device by pairing it. So that's how you remove it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.